Today in this video we will see how to change the font style of this Windows computer. As we know that it is very easy to change the font style or font size in Android devices because the facility has been inbuilt feature. But in Windows computer the change of font size or the font style is not inbuilt feature. Only we can add different fonts into the Windows computer by importing the font styles. But we cannot change the system fonts with a inbuilt feature. For that we have to make some registry changes. So in this video we will see how to change the system fonts by using some registry editors. First of all, create a text file first, that is by going right clicking and go to the new and go for text document. This is a text document. So in this we will paste some registry editors that I have given in the description. So you can copy from the description box and paste in this file. So this is Windows Registry Editor version 5. So here this is the same thing we have to copy and we have to paste here. Here what happens, in the last line you see here this is new font, that is whatever the font that we wanted to change, that we have to write here. So for that what we have to go, first we have to see which fonts are exist in our Windows computer. So for that what we have to do, we can search for the font. Just you type select font settings. Okay, here this is there in settings and in personalization. So fonts is there. Okay, you can click here. You see these are the fonts exist in our Windows computer at present. So we can see which font we wanted to change. For example, let us use this one, this script let us use. For that we have to note down the script name. Here we have to type this script name itself. So you can delete this new font. Instead here you can delete here new font, and here you can see BAHNSCHRIFT. In the same way we have to type like capital letters and small letters like that. B, so here we can keep here BAHNSCHRIFT. Okay, like this. In the same way we can type. So now after that we can save this file as here text documents. In that, instead of that we have to select all files, and instead of this one new font, that is new font .reg, because it is a registry file. So you can save it to a desktop, save. Okay, so now here this is the new font, this is the registry entry. If you double click this registry and if you apply this one, then after restarting your new font will be affected. Let us see that one. Okay, so here merge this one and you can go for this one. And are you sure you want to continue? Yes, click on yes. The keys and values contained in this one have been successfully added into the registry. So let us OK. So after this you have to log off and log in, or otherwise you have to restart once. Okay, now I will restart this PC. See, after restart the new font has been affected here. You see the font has been changed. Okay, in this way we can change the system font of a Windows 10 computer. See here, all the fonts have been changed here. In this way all the fonts have been changed here. Suppose if you want to revert back to a default font, for that what we have to do, we have to copy some script file which is mentioned in the description. Again we have to open this text document and we have to paste the things what I have given in the description. So here this is a default font. Default font is Sega UI. Okay, so here Sega UI is equal to, that is dash. This you can save as a default font .reg. Okay, and you can select here all files. Now I will save in a desktop itself. Okay, I have saved this one. Okay, this is the default font registry file. If you want to revert back it, merge this registry file into a system registry editor Are you sure you want to continue? Click on yes. And here again the keys and values have been added successfully into the registry. Okay, now again you have to restart so that you will get a default font. That also we will check up. See here, after restarting, the font style has been restored to default one. So in this way, you can change to any font. These are the fonts available. In this way, you can change it to any font as you wish. So here, this also, you can change. Only thing is, you have to note down the name of the font style. That is in the same way as it is there. That is capital word and small words. That you have to remember. In the same way, you can copy and paste in this text file here. Here you can paste here so that it will be affected. Okay, I hope this video will be useful for you. Friends, if you are not subscribed to this channel, kindly do subscribe for getting more technical information like this. Thank you.